Join me as I take on the challenge of rendering like a pro using PromeAI Shots and Sketches. Let's see if I can level up my skills. PromeAI is an incredibly powerful tool that's revolutionizing the way we render shots and sketches. With its cutting-edge technology, you can elevate your creative projects to new heights, delivering high-quality visuals that impress and inspire. Whether you're a professional designer, artist, or just a creative enthusiast, PromeAI has got you covered. We've all been there, stuck in a cycle of tedious rendering, struggling to achieve the quality we want without sacrificing hours of our precious time. It's a frustrating and inefficient process that can leave us feeling stuck and uninspired. The truth is, most of us just want to focus on bringing our ideas to life, not wrestling with complicated software or waiting around for our computers to crunch through heavy files. But what if I told you there's a better way? In today's fast-paced creative landscape, delivering high-quality visuals quickly and efficiently is crucial. Yet, many of us struggle to achieve this due to limited resources, tight deadlines, and the need for constant iteration. It's a never-ending battle to balance quality with speed, and it's a challenge that can leave even the most seasoned pros feeling overwhelmed. The result is often a compromise, sacrificing quality for the sake of speed, or vice versa. But what if you could have both? What if you could render stunning visuals in a fraction of the time, without sacrificing an ounce of quality? That's the promise of PromeAI, and it's a game changer. PromeAI is designed to simplify the rendering process, giving you back the time and creative energy you need to focus on what really matters, bringing your ideas to life. With its intuitive interface and powerful algorithms, PromeAI takes the hassle out of rendering, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. Whether you're working on a complex architectural visualization, a sleek product design, or a stunning piece of digital art, PromeAI has the tools and features to help you deliver breathtaking results. Let me show you just what PromeAI is capable of. With its cutting-edge AI technology, PromeAI can tackle even the most complex rendering tasks with ease. From photorealistic environments to intricate textures and materials, PromeAI can handle it all. And the best part? It does it all with incredible speed and efficiency, saving you hours of time and frustration. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at a real-world example of just how powerful PromeAI can be. I've got a project here that I rendered both with and without PromeAI, and the difference is night and day. The before image is mediocre at best, blurry, pixelated, and lacking in detail. But the after image, rendered with PromeAI, is a stunning work of art. The level of detail, the vibrant colors, the crisp textures, it's a world of difference. By leveraging the power of PromeAI, you can transform your own projects in the same way. Imagine being able to deliver high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time, without sacrificing an ounce of creativity or quality. It's a prospect that's both exciting and empowering, and it's within your reach. PromeAI is a game-changing tool that can revolutionize the way you approach rendering shots and sketches. By streamlining the process, reducing your workload, and delivering breathtaking results, PromeAI can help you take your creative projects to the next level. As with any tool, PromeAI has its pros and cons. On the positive side, it saves time and enhances productivity, and its versatility makes it suitable for various industries. However, some users might face a learning curve with its advanced features, and depending on your needs, it may require a subscription. Overall, the benefits typically outweigh the drawbacks, especially for those looking to enhance their workflow. In conclusion, PromeAI is a game changer in the AI landscape. If you're aiming to elevate your projects, it's definitely worth checking out. What do you think about PromeAI? Have you tried it or are you considering it for your work? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into technology and AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So what are you waiting for? Try out PromeAI for yourself and see the difference it can make. Leave a comment below with your own experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on the latest creative tools and techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.